Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a cash recycler machine works step by step. First, cash is inserted into the machine through the deposit slot. The user or cashier places banknotes into the slot, and the machine begins the cash handling process automatically. Next, the machine counts the notes quickly. Each banknote passes through the internal counting system, where the machine identifies how many notes have been inserted. After that, the notes are checked by the validator and sensor unit. The sensors verify the authenticity, denomination, and physical condition of each note to make sure the cash is valid and acceptable. Then, the valid notes are sorted by value. For example, different denominations are separated and routed into the correct internal recycling cassettes so they can be reused later. After sorting, the accepted cash is stored securely inside the machine. The notes are placed into protected recycling cassettes and safe compartments, which help keep the cash organized and secure. Next, the transaction is recorded by the system. The machine updates the cash total, saves the deposit or cash movement details, and sends the data through the power or network connection. Then, when a customer needs a withdrawal or change, the cash recycler can dispense stored notes through the dispensing slot. This allows the same accepted cash to be reused safely for future transactions. After that, the machine updates the cash balance and reports. The system tracks how much cash was deposited, how much was dispensed, and how much remains inside the machine. Moreover, a cash recycler machine helps businesses and banks by counting cash automatically, checking notes for authenticity, storing and recycling cash securely, and dispensing cash for withdrawals or change. Finally, at the end of the day, staff can review cash totals, match machine reports with system records, and reduce manual cash handling. This makes cash management faster, more accurate, and more secure. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.